Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurist, and today we're doing another SkinStar box. Looks like this. I'm pretty sure it goes for 300 USD. From what I remember from the last video. I was not expecting them to send me another box. This is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this. This is an honest review of all the products in the kit or box. So let's get started, because like I said, I was not expecting another box. I was just told that I was going to get a box. So when I got a text message saying, hey, you got another box sending your way, I was like, wait, what? So we're opening it up. And it looks like this. It says tips for unboxing right over here. Setup, show the goods, share it. And it tells you the Instagram, etc., etc., YouTube. I didn't know they had a YouTube. And the SkinStarBox.com. And we got the little pamphlet. It says SkinStar of America Hot Summer. So it's a summer edition, I'm guessing. And all the items inside. Now, I did notice the last time that I did this box review that they didn't have instructions about the items, how to use them and such. So if I can find instructions somewhere for you for each of the items, I will put it right here or right here or right here for you. So keep an eye on for that. If there's nothing there, that means I couldn't find the item or the instructions, or I found the item or I couldn't find the instructions. And let's get started. Let's just plunge in. So right away I'm going to jump right into this little category. Ah! Stay. This little area right here, and there's two items hidden behind this little box pamphlet. And we're going to go into these items right here first before we go into this big bag. First, it's this glass bottle. It says Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis Softening Toner. It says Pure Heals Propolis Softening Toner, a toner that creates a beautiful skin with propolis ingredients and reducing dead skin cells. It is in a glass bottle. I like glass bottles. That means they're more expensive. So, but I wonder how we use it. Can't smell it. Well, I'm just gonna put this off to the side. This looks really jelly-like in the inside. Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampule. Hypoallergenic ampule containing 9% of centella extract for sensitive skin. Now, I do not have sensitive skin. I have normal to dry skin, and my skin is quite tough. It doesn't take much damage or anything like that. Like, I don't get acne unless I take in a lot of soda. So, it's just really good skin, I guess. I'm blessed. But this seems like it's a jelly material. And there's a little syringe inside. Now for the bag. The SkinStar bag full of items. I'm going to just move the box down onto the floor because it's taking up a lot of room. I'm just going to open this up and just going to grab whatever I grab first. This. As I gander to see what's inside. Essential Herb Tea Tree Cleansing Water, Pure Tea Tree. No wash type cleansing water containing tea tree that is good for skin soothing. Now on the back of all of these products, it's in Korean, so I do not know how to read Korean. I don't know how to translate Korean. So, I mean, I can go to Google and translate it that way if I can get the copy and paste of the items somehow, but I'm just going to have to look up the name and hope that I can find the stuff somewhere and how to use it. Next. Well, this one's already open. pH55 Vita Peeling Gel. Niacinamide PHA. A healthy peeling gel that removes dead skin cells and protects skin. I like peel-off masks, so I'm excited for this. If it really is a peeling gel. I have had masks before that tell me that you peel them off and they really don't. You have to wash them off. So I wonder if it really is a peel-off mask. I'm going to be so excited to try this. We're going to have to try it after I move though, because I'm currently in the process of moving. If you haven't told, there's like pictures missing. Next. Ah, the bag's falling. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Pure Heals by Nature Real Centella Leaf Sleeping Mask. A sleeping mask that contains the originals of centella leaves, soothing and moisturizing tired skin during the night. So I'm guessing you apply this at nighttime and you just leave it on and let it dry. And as such. I'm going to try to smell it. Oh. Oh, that smells good. That's a good smell. I like that. It's in a glass container also. So expensive, I'm guessing. All these items should be expensive if you have to pay $300 for it, honestly. Oh, jeez. My bag fell. Blackhead Remover Nose Mask. Blackhead Remover Nose Patch. Solution nose mask that removes blackheads and various skin waste with 2 steps. I'm going to use this probably tonight. Like, I love nose patches, and it kind of shows you pictures how to use it. Let me see if I can pull you closer. Right here, it says, I think it says 15 to 20 minutes right here. Yes, and then it says 10 minutes right here for the black one. And then your face is all cleared. So I most likely will try this tonight after I wash all of my makeup off. So I'm excited for this. I love patches that take out blackheads because I like to see how much it takes out. It's satisfying to me. So I'm really excited about that. Like, more excited than all these items, I guess. Pure Heals by Nature Centella 80 Eye Cream. Eye cream containing 80% of centella extract to firmly care for eyes that have lost elasticity. Stuff like you do if you have wrinkles under your eyes, because I'm guessing that would be like losing elasticity. If I'm even saying that right. I like eye cream, so I'm excited about that as well. And the last item in the bag, all empty. Essential Herb Tea Tree Foam Cleanser Pure Tea Tree. A foam cleanser containing tea tree leaves that cares not only for the thick makeup, but also over exfoliating dead skin cells and sebum. So, does that mean it washes off makeup? I hope so, because I could always use more items that washes off makeup. I could always use more items that washes makeup off. Always! So that is all that's in the box and the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be trying to put in the sidebar how to use it if I edit it properly, because the way I'm thinking about editing is like a little bit different than my normal editing if I edit it that way. If not, then not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.